Welcome to our channel. Today we how to verify bridge transactions on Synapse, complete guide step by step clearly. To verify bridge transactions on Synapse, start by accessing the Synapse web application. Log into your Synapse account using your credentials. Navigate to the dashboard where you can see your transaction history. Locate the transaction you want to verify from the list displayed. Click on the transaction to open detailed information about it. Examine the transaction ID, which is a unique identifier for every bridge transaction. Copy the transaction ID for further verification. Open a new tab and go to the block explorer specific to the network you are using. Paste the transaction ID into the search bar of the block explorer. Review the transaction details, including status, confirmations, and any associated fees. Check the timestamp to confirm when the transaction was initiated. Verify the amount sent and received to ensure it matches your records. Look for any additional notes or messages associated with the transaction. If the transaction shows as confirmed, it has been successfully processed. If the transaction is pending, keep checking back for updates. Reach out to Synapse support if the transaction remains unconfirmed for an extended period. Once you have confirmed all details, you can safely take any next steps related to your funds. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.